Welcome to the Body Music Percussion tutorial. Now we are going to learn about sounds with hands, with our face, with our chest, legs, in our back, and with our feet. Also we are learning about rhythms, variations of rhythms, and scales from 1 to 16. You'll find this really fun and hope you enjoy it. So right now we are going to learn about hand sounds. The first one is the low one. The sound is like this. You will find that you are doing this with your hands. Then the movement and the sound. Second one is the high one, when you clap for something you like it. Third one is the star one. You'll open your entire hand and then you do this movement, and the sound goes like this. Like this. A variation is doing this movement with your fingers. Third one, you do this movement, you'll find like this, and then the sound is 3 different sounds. Another one is the rain one. You're using 2 fingers and then this. Another one is the rock one. You do this with one hand. You can use both. And this or this. Next one is the snap. We are going to use 2 more sounds. This is a low sound. You will see like this. And you are making the sound with this part of the hand and then with this other one, using this and using this. So the sound, if you do faster, next one, you do this sound. If you look like this, you first do this sound and then you do this. Sorry, you open your fingers like this. Okay, so let's remember the sounds. Low one, higher one, star, variation number 1, variation number 2, the rain one, the rock one, snaps, the low one but moving like this, and then, like we say in Spanish, the flecha one. That's the sounds you can produce. Okay, right now we are going to do our sounds with our face, using of course our hand and also our lips, our tongue, and some other resources. Okay, first one, the name I'm gonna use is Poki Poki, is used from Barbatuques. You're going to do your hands like this, and if you see like this, you're going to feel an air from this space, like this, and the sound you are going to make with this part of your mouth. Like if you say an O, yes, this is the first one, Poki Poki. You're using this part also, saying an O, and then you do this movement. Okay, then with the same O, you are making this movement like this, O, and the sound is like this. If you use both hands, then we have sounds with this. These are funny sounds. Like if you do this, and if you open and close your mouth, you'll find different sounds. Then doing like this, you'll produce a sound. And you have a really nice sound with that. Well, then let's use our mouth. Of course, a kiss. Then you'll do it like this, and the sound is. Then you're going to use your tongue. This is kind of a tricky sound. It's like this. Okay. I'm gonna try to explain this sound. You're going to put your tongue up, and then you're letting go down like with this movement. Okay, that's our sounds. Let's do again. Poki Poki. With our face. With this one. This is a really nice sound, like a water sound. You have to push some air once you're making this sound. This is kind of tricky. Continuing with the sounds, now we are doing the chest sound and also the leg sound. Of course, the feet one, this is the chest one. The next one is with the legs and with our feet, like if you're walking. These three sounds.